Hello, welcome to Vision for My Life, Friday, September the 18th, 2020. This is Basic College Math. Today is Basic College Math for all Vision for My Life students. So once again, on Tuesday is your reading class. Wednesday, Basic College English class. Wednesday, American Government. Thursday, American Government. Friday, Basic College Math. And on some Saturdays, we're going to meet up once a month to meet up as a group to discuss when cap and gown, graduation, and stuff like that coming up. I did ask everyone to send me a picture of yourself so that when you are sending me your assignments or when you are contacting me by text message or email or even calling me, I have a picture of you so that way I know who I'm talking to. I have a face in my mind now who the person is that I'm talking with. So please try to send me a picture today so that way I can have my file. So when you call in, I can see your picture. So that way when we meet up, I know who I'm meeting. All right, so that's the purpose. So I know who I am meeting, know who you are, especially since we're not meeting in the classrooms. If you ever been to high school, you may not realize that, but teachers have pictures of you. When you take your school pictures and your student code be on there, they have pictures for the teacher. So the teacher kind of see who the students are. They have a picture. So we are also trying to do that here because it is very helpful when we do have that picture right in front of us. So we'll know who that student is matching that profile. All right, so once again, send that picture to me at least by today. Before the end of the day, I would greatly appreciate it no later than this weekend so I can put it in your file. If not, I'm going to hound you down until you do that. All right, today is basic college math, so we're going to be dealing with the basic math, okay? We're going to build you all the way up to algebra. So we're going to do so many sheets, worksheets a day. So what I'm going to do is we're going to send copies of worksheets of addition and subtraction. So it's going to be addition and subtraction. Everybody should know how to add. So think about money. All right. So I try to teach older students that if you have money, think about money, adding and subtracting, taking money away, adding money. If I had gave you $100 and then someone else gave you another $100, you add those two together and you get the sum. If you went to the store and you had $100 and you had $200 and you spent $100, that's subtracting how much will you have left. Okay, so it's still coming up with the sum. So adding and subtraction. So think about money in your bank, and that helps you to understand quicker. So I'm going to send copies to the email of the worksheets that you're going to be doing. You're going to be doing exercise C, D, and E for the addition on page 9. And then the subtraction, you're going to do page 12. You're going to do exercise C. And then on page 13, you're going to do exercise D and E. All right. So for addition, you're going to do exercise C, D, and E. And then for subtraction, you're going to do also exercise C, D, and E. And this just to brush you up on your adding and subtraction. If you have forgotten how to add and subtract, go on YouTube and Google it. Google it, or you also go on YouTube, because YouTube will show you how to add and subtract. If you're still having problems, then you text me immediately so that way we can help you out. That's what we're here for. All right, so that is your assignment for today, Friday 18th, 2020, Basic College Math. The worksheets will be sent as an attachment. So do the assignments. Screenshot the answers, work it out. I want to see you work the problem out. I don't want to see the answers. Okay, so work the problems out. I want to actually see the work and let me know you know how to do it. So work it out on a separate sheet of paper and then screenshot it, shoot it when you're done and send it as an attachment to the email, or you also can screenshot it and send it to my phone number. When you send work to me or text me, make sure you state your name. Say who you are. It'll be nice if you send a picture with it. Let me know who I am talking with. If you have not sent me that picture, that's another good way to do it. When you send me the picture, send me your name, and that way I'll know who this is. Make sure you put your name on it on paper. When you do the addition one, put addition, the word addition, as the top of your title. When you do the subtraction one, I want you to put the word subtraction so we know that's adding. And so it's gonna be due on September the 25th, next Friday. Due on next Friday. For those who are doing payments, you will have a payment coming up next Friday. All right. If you're doing weekly and bi-weekly, you will be having a payment because we start class on the 11th. We start class on the 15th and coming up on October the 2nd. All right. So if you're paying weekly, you got a payment due on the 25th. If you're paying bi-weekly, you have a payment on the 2nd. Weekly or bi-weekly, okay? For those who paid all their money up front, you don't have a payment. All you have to do now is prepare for cap and gown time. Cap and gown gonna be $79.99. That's gonna cover your cap, gown, tassel, and your diploma. That's gonna be coming up on October the 30th, 23rd, and the 30th. That you need to start making that payment so we can order it and have them back on time for graduation. So October the 23rd or the 30th, $79.99. Cap and gown, getting ready for graduation. All right, so that is the word for today. You can always go back to this YouTube channel and get this information throughout the week, just in case you cannot do it today. You do have up to 1:59 p.m. It is due. Do not send me any late papers because I will look at the dates. So make sure you put the dates on your assignments that is assigned. And plus, I would do that check. If you come in late, I will not give you credit for it. I mean, you have to make that up somewhere down the line. All right. Other than that, I am signing off. Once again, I am Mrs. Shaw. Have a great weekend, everyone, and be safe.